If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So I just wanted to show you a couple things I picked up from Morphe recently. Let's start with the brush kit. It's the Flash of Rosé 8-piece rose gold brush set. I love Morphe, you guys. If anybody wants to get a gift for me, get me something from Morphe. I'll be happy. Oh, I didn't even realize. So there's 8 brushes total. One of them is double, which is nice. So it's almost like you have 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set these aside, and I'll show you. I went ahead and I picked up the Morphe 9Q Love Matters Artistry Palette. I really just wanted something that had primary colors in it, and I didn't want a whole bunch of unnecessary colors because I already have a few palettes, and this is the perfect one. And I definitely wanted matte. Like, there are other palettes that have the colors but they're glittery or shimmer, and I didn't want that. I wanted a palette that was completely matte, and this was the one. So 9 colors in the inside. I really just wanted to have a really nice red, orange, and yellow. And well, I guess, oh, so there is actually one shimmer color, and it is the Fluidity. I don't know if you can see that. So it's right in the center. Fluidity is the only one that is a shimmer. Everything else is matte, which is perfect. And I like that it has a black too. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the swatch. Ooh, I like it already. So these colors are, they're pigmented for sure. Wow. The yellow is nice. I only picked up a little bit of yellow just one time, and here's what it's looking like. So you can see red, orange, yellow, and if they look this good now, they're gonna look great with a base underneath. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue swatching the other colors. Let's do the green. That's how the green looks. It's bright. This is probably, hands down, the best palette I've ever purchased with these type of colors in it. It's the purple. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the brown. Look at how that blue looks. Y'all see that? Let's go ahead and do it right here. Bam. And I'm not gonna swatch the black, but I will, however, let's go ahead and swatch Fluidity. A silver, a white silvery color. So here it is. Very beautiful. I imagine Fluidity probably looks different depending on, you know, the person's skin tone. Yeah, this is pretty. Okay. Well, that's pretty much all I have to show you. So if you don't have, this palette has been out for a while, so if you don't have it, go get it today, right now. What else? The total I paid was $39.77. I did purchase these in Las Vegas. So I don't know if the sale taxes might be different somewhere else, but the price for each palette was, sorry, not each palette, I only got one palette. The price for the palette was $9.10, and for the brush kit it was $27.60. I believe the regular price for the brush kit is $46, but I got it for $27.60, which is really nice. I'm definitely gonna get more brushes to put in here, that's for sure. And I feel like I'm in love with this palette already. I definitely feel like I need to go pick up a couple more of these. They do have a shimmer version of this palette, but I'm definitely gonna get a few more of the matte version, which is Love Matters. So that's all I have to show you today. Thanks for tuning in. If you like my video, please comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time. Thanks. Bye.